What's up, my friends? It's time for another micromotor raffle. This time you can win one of these awesome whoop cases. On the outside, very solid. On the inside, there's a nice foam inset with room for two whoops, a 65 and a 75 millimeter one, and 48 batteries. That should keep you entertained for the day. There will be 4 of these boxes as prizes. 2 plain like you've just seen, like this one here, and then 2 where I stuck a Micromotor Warehouse sticker on the top lid, and one of them even contains some extra goodies. So I think this one here contains 8 batteries, 255 milliamp high voltage mylipos with Jesse's face on the back, and a crash kit consisting of a 7x16 millimeter frame, 6 7x16 millimeter motors, and 6 31 millimeter propellers. If you want to win one of these boxes, click the link that I've put somewhere down there in the video description, and then tickets are $2 as per usual, and the more tickets you buy, the more chances you have to win.